Hello there. Welcome to the video. I hope you have a good time here. As you can tell from the title, I got an automaton. Now, this is my second attempt making this video because the first time I tried, it was going good. I finished the video, opened my automaton, played with it a bit on video, got the batteries and all that jazz. Go to edit it. And it didn't record audio. Just no audio. The video. Yes, all the video. But no audio. So we're going to try this again. Anyhow, I repackaged it. Not in the Amazon package, which is here. But I repackaged it. We're going to try this again. Okay. So, without further ado, my automaton, which I haven't quite chosen a name for him yet, but my dad suggested Notey McNoteface, so I think I might go with that. Might put it on my Twitter, Discord, see what everyone thinks of that. I'm bad at naming things, so I have people name things for me. Anyhow, let's open it up. So first, we have this little card. What do you think? Just the back. But no! It's play instructions. Steps 1 and 2. How to change the battery. How to hold the automaton. How to make some sound. How to play a noise. And inside there, we have a little automaton note practice sheet. Sorry if you can't see that. I can't see it either. So yeah, we have that, which I tried. Then we have a little thing of plastic and the automaton himself. Now, I already put batteries in here, so I don't have to do that, which is good. Less editing. And so I just turn it on. We'll do medium, low volume. Yeah, just see, this is just me setting my finger. You gotta press it. So yeah, I got an automaton. What do you have to say, Mr. Automaton? Yeah. Anyhow, automaton, and that's why my laptop is on a little riser. That's why I can't, like, half the automaton is missing. It's because it's up higher. See, this is up here. Shouldn't be that much automaton missing. Little to none. So, anyhow, if you have better name suggestions, go ahead, put those in the comments. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you want. You know, if you enjoyed, give me a like. Takes 2 seconds out of your day. Seems like a pretty good deal. I hope you enjoyed the video once again. And I hope you have a nice rest of your day, whatever time it is for you. Anyhow, so automaton's fun. 10 out of 10 recommend. If